There's Dad's number one. I've already caught two.
You know, the thing is that they're not large,
but they're
you can
good.
get a limit.
Easy.
We could get a limit here fast.
How long have we been in here? 10 minutes?
Yeah.
We already had 3.
No, you'd hook the other one. You wouldn't have been throwing the spinnerbait if I
Yeah,
didn't tell you just to throw something different.
Oh, look, you can see the bank right down in there. You can see the ground. But one where I slammed into the tree, pulled it down a little bit, and something picked it up. That bass picked it up and started swimming off with it.
Now, why did I not get one on the twin-tailed craw?
Do you want to keep fishing it?
No, I'm ready to go. I just
Did you mark it?
Oh. The thing is, in the high school tournament, I don't think anybody's going to come here.
Yeah.
It's a long ways to go, baby.
But day 2, we might actually come down here.
Day 2, we might do it. Just to come get our... Oh, I got to go catching things off these trees.
It's a campground. Didn't know if it was one or not. Guess it. Nope, it was one. My tail's bit off. It was a little fish. Got one.
Oh, he's a feisty bugger too, Hagen. Not real big. Ooh, he's a fatso.
He's heavy.
He's over 2 pounds.
He might be going on 3. That boat.
You'll have to go back up to that tree. Put him back on it. How much? No, take him all the ways up to the tree.
213.
Almost 3 pounds.
You hit my life jacket.
Put him right back at the base of the tree.
We're at 10 already. Never mind, there's a 4-pounder in here from last time. So we're actually at 6.
I left him in there.
Can I drop him here?
Just go all the way up to the tree. When you're in the shade, pop him under. Hold him in your hand. When you get in the shade, just toss him over there under the tree. Wow, we're in shallow water. Drop him back over there.
Yeah, I'm touching rocks too. That's one. That's a better one.
That's good.
Oh my God, he just came off. That was a big one. That was a 4+ pounder.
Okay, that's why I put a 4 in there already to make up for the one I knew you.
That was a 4+ pounder. You saw me, I was struggling to throw that fish in. That was a big one.
He'll be there next time.
That was a real big fish. So this is good.
Is a spawning ground.
And this is good.
You got him. He was on it.
He was on there for a while. We gotta clear the water is.
Think he's big enough to weigh?
Yeah, probably not.
We'll just let him go. Let's go back over to that ledge.
Mark it. Got him.
Please be like 10 pounds. One fucking hour for that little piece of shit. Now, come on.
He was right there in that shade too.
The only stinking fish in the whole slough. Yeah, we got a spot open.
There we go. I have 5 hours of recording space. Man, I'm so freaking glad I caught one. Yeah, it's literally just like 1 an hour.
12 pounds, 1 ounce.
Ridiculous how bad this thing is. With these big waterfowls, it literally goes to 1 an hour if you don't know where they're at.
It's better than it was when you and what's his name were fishing.
Oh, that was a fish. That was a fish. Did you mark it?
Yeah, I thought I did, but I'll do it again.
He was right on the corner. He was right on the edge of that boat ramp. Because they'll tend to do that. I was so excited I finally got another fish. Got him. Spotted bass.
Is it really?
Chunky
Take
little
his
bigger.
picture.
And they only had to be 12 inches.
Nice job, Megan.
Is he 12 inches?
Yeah, he's close enough. He's not going to cull anything. I was going to weigh him. 104.
Yeah, he was like right under the boat too. I was suspended in one of these trees.
What Was he actually suspended?
I think so. I think it was starting to pull it up a tree and he bit it. Well, like, my line was pretty much like right here. Like right there, and he bit it.
Think he'd been following it the whole way?
No. I think he was just right there and it came up to him. That was my first cast too.
I wonder what makes this flooded timber better than other.
It is shallower. Do you really?
Yeah. I felt him bump it. I already let go of it. Yeah, it was right over there near that tree.
He might come back.
Yeah, he didn't really feel the hook or anything.
Oh,
You feel him?
thought I got bumped in there.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Oh, it's on that tree?
Yeah.
Oh.
Thought I'd gotten bumped over there near that tree.
Because I either got bumped or I hit a stump. And I highly doubt our cast made it that close together to actually hit a stump. Actually hit the exact same stump.